One unique thing about our panel today is that all of them, in whatever capacity of their work, their activism, their life, have made the conscious decision to speak out, speak up, and do this. But it is something that they speak throughout their work. So to kick off our program, before we come to our speakers, we have a small solidarity session where I request all our guests of honor and speakers to stand up. And as you can see, the kids, the young ones, the future of tomorrow are also holding up posters of slogans of human rights and dignity.